absolutely insane.
There's a Tiger Pride car wash right down there. I'll see what that looks like. That.
Oh, that's fine. So it's like what? It's south on 77 or something.
Yeah. 14 minutes away. Otherwise, we gotta haul. Yeah, we're fine when we move past this.
Mm-hmm.
You're talking about, you don't know if the hell's outside that thing, right? Like right there.
That, or really if oh, wrong way. That's not the way we need to go.
Tiger Pride car wash. Let's see. There's a, yep, Tiger Pride.
It's to the south, right? Or is it back into the town?
It's south.
Do me a favor and just put it in on yours since you got it. And let me know where to go with this. I'd imagine we gotta go. Oh goodness, it's out. We're gonna go to this intersection and then we take a left. I know we gotta do that much. This is wild.
Storm's right there.